What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be talking about what a funnel is and how it all works and runs. Now, I've been getting a lot of questions about funnels, how the entire process of a funnel works, what it is. So I'm going to be going over that, and you can see the screen of my iPad right now. I'm going to be drawing on here, which is why you see this right now. So real quick, what is a funnel? And there can be a lot of different definitions for funnels, but pretty much I want you to think of funnels as a replacement for a website or a customer's journey throughout your business. So it can be, let's say a customer comes to you, they land on your page, they look at your information, then they go away. Maybe they come back, they land on a different page, and what do they do? Do they opt in? Do they buy something? How do they interact? So a funnel is pretty much just a customer's journey throughout your business's website. And it can be done over a couple of minutes, or it can be done over a couple of years, depending how long you're retaining this customer, how many funnels you have. So let's talk about just a basic type of funnel, which first off, there's an infinite amount of funnels. So let's just say we have a customer right here. This is our customer. Now, he's gonna go to our landing page. A landing page is just the page someone lands on. Shocker, I know the name. So landing page, he goes to our landing page. So this is our traffic right here. The guy, wherever he's coming from, if it's a Facebook ad, if it's a social media like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever it is, he's then going to our lead magnet. So this is the start of our funnel. Landing page. Now, what we can do on this landing page is we can offer him something. So an example would be, you've probably seen a lot of times, we'll pretend this whole business here is like an e-com store, an e-commerce, a drop shipping store, however you want to phrase it. So he lands on that page. Let's say we're an e-commerce store, and on this page we offer him a coupon. So this is a coupon. All he has to do is put his email in, and he can get that coupon for 50% off our product. So let's say he puts his email in here. He's then taken to a second page, which is a thank you. So he's now on page 2 of our funnel, which is the thank you, and it'll tell him to check his email, because after he puts his email in here, he is sent an email from us with the coupon. So he's taking that thank you and then told to check his email, where he's going to get this coupon, and we're going to give him a coupon code for 50% off. So now he's going to open that email from our thank you page. He's going to get his coupon, and with that, we're going to send him a link to whatever product we showed him on the page for the coupon. So whatever product we put here, we're going to send him the coupon for that. And through that email, he is then sent to our sales page. So our sales page here is just the page where we're actually selling our product. So this is page number 3 on this, our sales page. And on this page, we're going to present him the product. We're going to show him what the product does, the benefits of it on this page, etc. And this is where he can buy the actual product and order it, and we get paid. So that is an example of just a basic funnel. And guess what? If we capture his email, send him the thank you, and let's say he doesn't go to the sales page, he doesn't make it to the sales page, he doesn't purchase. Well, we know this, and we can then send him follow-up emails if he does not. And that way we can market these emails and try and get him to this sales page to use his coupon. So this is kind of a basic funnel. This is pretty much basically how funnels work. It's his journey. Now that might seem a little complicated, so let me break it down a little simpler. You have your first page here, which is you trying to capture their email. So we'll just put email. So this is page 1. Now we're trying to capture their email here, so we need to give them a reason that we can capture their email. So let's say we're giving them something. Let's say we'll give them a free ebook or a free video or something, a template, a checklist. something along those lines, a lead magnet. And once they say yes to that, they're then sent to our email autoresponder, where we can email market to them, and they'll be sent multiple emails based off of their actions. Now that's a little more advanced, but after that first page, if they decide to do it, they're going to be sent to a thank you. So page number 2 here is a thank you. And that will tell them to check their email, or you can send them directly to the sales page or whatever you want them to do. So for example, if it was e-commerce and it was a coupon we're giving them, we're going to send them to the sales page. So we send them from page 1 to page 2. Page 2, the thank you page, takes them to the email where they get the coupon, which then sends them to the sales page. And then they're still continued on with the email sequences. Now, this is pretty much just the basics of it. And we can continue to email market to them if they do not buy our product, or if they do, we can, so they'd buy right here. Now, let's say you're not an e-commerce store, let's say you're something else. Well, maybe you have lead magnet and then you send them emails, and instead of sending them from the first email here to the sales page, maybe we send them more emails with more info first before we send them to the sales page, and then maybe on our 4th email we send them to the sales page. It will depend on the type of product you have, but this is a great basic funnel. It's pretty much just a lead magnet funnel. So that is basically just how funnels work and run. All right, guys, now I'm going to be showing you an example of an actual funnel that has done well over $1 million. Now, this particular funnel is it's a mix between sort of like a product launch funnel and a lead magnet funnel, but we could consider this a lead magnet funnel. Now, if you don't know what a lead magnet is, a lead magnet simply is just something we're giving our audience or our customers in exchange for their email. We're just trying to capture their email address. And on this particular page, it's 3 free training videos. So 3-day mini course or training, however you want to angle it. So this is just the landing page. This is where they land and they can opt in order to get this. So you just have your basic headline up here telling them what they get, an opt-in button, a little bit of images so they can kind of visualize it, see what they're actually getting. So this is just more information. And then the button again, and then some social proof down here with some results, a little bit about me, and then another button. And if they click yes, I want access, a pop-up comes up where they can enter their email and their name, click start, and it will send them an email, and they can be sent to the first training video. Now it's over 3 days, so they're getting an email, but the training pages now look like this. It's just the title of whatever the training video is, the actual video, and then underneath of it, I have a specific testimonial, and it's almost like a little mini sales page up here, but I'm not presenting them really with anything here. This is just the sales page. Not a sales page, I'm sorry. This is just the page with the video. Most people will not scroll down, but some will and start reading this. And this, like I said, is just a testimonial for the product we're eventually going to be offering them. So right here, they can choose to buy the product, which is an actual course, and they're taken to this sales page if they do click that. And this is a kind of a longer sales page because it is a higher ticket item. It's a course that costs $500. Now, let me go through this some more. This, after right here, this is pretty much just telling them what they're getting in the course, and kind of goes straight with the sales page that you guys were just looking at. So there's 3 videos that look like this, 3 different days. The pages look pretty much identical to this, just with a different testimonial each time, and a link to the actual course, the sales page to purchase. And then this is the actual sales page. Just have our headline up here, name of the course, kind of what they're going to learn, a button where if they want to enroll, they hit enroll, and it takes them to the order form right here, where they can put in their information, purchase the course, and then you just have what they get over on the side here. And if we go back, we can break down the sales page a little bit more. So this is just basic questions I want them to ask themselves. So what's included? Is this the best course for me? Show me your profit. Is this team I want to work with? So just things to get them thinking about this more. Now on the sales page, you'll notice a lot of results. So testimonials, results, more results, what they're getting here with another button to enroll, what's actually inside the course, what they get, so more like bonuses and things they will get when they purchase. There's an added software on this one. You guys can kind of ignore this. This is just a video showing them the software they get and how it works. A little bit more about me, because if most people get down this far on the sales page, they're pretty interested, but they still want more information. So I start telling them a little bit about myself with some videos to things that might be helpful. And then just some frequently asked questions and more results. And that is it for the sales page. But this funnel right here, the simple opt-in page for the training, the 3 free videos, has generated over $1 million with this utilizing Facebook ads. So it's very possible with almost any type of funnel to bring in over $1 million if you're doing it right and you're getting traffic and it's structured right. But what you actually put on the page, where things are on the page, how you write them, how you lay out your actual funnel, what is the process your customer or your lead is going through, that's something you really need to think about. Real quick before I end this video, in the description there will be a link to a free live workshop where I'm going to be showing you exactly how I build my funnels and how I've made over $2.7 million in just 12 months using this same funnel strategy, these 5 steps. So there will be a link to that in the description. There's also a free book about funnels if you want that. You can sign up for both. Make sure you don't miss the workshop, and I'll see you guys in the next video.